guys? TechVidKid here, and today we are going to be unboxing the all-new Amazon Echo Flex. So this new Amazon Echo is basically a Echo that just plugs into your wall and it works. And then you can ask it, "Hey Alexa," and whatever you wanted to ask it. So this has the same Bluetooth as the regular Echoes. It has far-field voice control, which is basically 360-degree audio pickup microphone. It has a microphone on and off button, just like the rest of the Amazon Echoes. It also has a USB-A port, so you can also charge your phone with this. So that's pretty cool. So yeah, let's just go ahead and open it. So I believe this is the third or fourth Echo that I'm unboxing on this channel. So my first ever video, my second video, no, not my absolute second video, but my second Echo video, and I think this is actually third. Yeah, this is third, and this is what's going on. And by the way, guys, I'm actually going to be editing up a compilation of my best videos this year. So make sure to stay tuned for that. It'll be It'll be played live on December the 30th, 2020, or so I hope. So I actually have the laptop on the side beside me right now, so I'm gonna start editing this immediately after I finish this video, and I'll actually edit this video first. So let's go ahead and open up the Echo. And by the way, guys, tell me if you guys like the new A-roll and B-roll type of setup that I have here. So here we have this. This looks pretty small compared to other Echo boxes. I don't think I have any of them anymore. So let's go ahead, and this is not easy to peel like the other ones. Do I peel it like this? Fresh. Alright, so let's go ahead and place this here. And once we open up the tab here, once we pull up these tabs, we see the Echo Flex. Now the neat thing about this is that since it already has the outlet prongs built into the device, that means you don't have to get an extra power cord. So you can just take this and place this wherever you want. So I guess this is gonna be replacement to the Echo Dot. They haven't said yet if they're gonna replace the Echo Dot with this, but this looks like a pretty much a better option than an Echo Dot. And I believe it's also pretty cheap. It's also cheaper than the Echo Dot. So yeah, guys, this is actually a pretty good device. I actually have another one. And it's sitting in the garage. We have it in the garage for woodwork, if we ever need to ask a question about woodwork. So and that one that's downstairs, it works just like a regular Amazon Echo. So just that it's way smaller and it has the prongs built in. So let's go ahead and peel off this. Ooh. I was gonna do another one, but like it's not coming apart easily. The only thing I hate about Amazon, they ruin the satisfaction of unboxings. Okay. Well, here's another one. Nice. Okay, so now that we have it out of its case, let's set the main device off to the side and test out let's check out what's in the box. Okay, so first we have the manual, Echo Flex. Oh no, wait, this is the fourth video on my channel. I just remembered whenever I said Echo Show, I remembered that I uploaded that Echo Show unboxing a while back. So this is the fourth video. Who knows? Maybe I'll upload one on Christmas. at the end of the year, just like my first ever video and whatever. So let's see. This side is all warranty information and legal stuff, and here is how to use your device. I don't know. Get back in there. So now we can go ahead and plop the little plastic back in. Plop back in there, and this goes back on for the plastic. I like putting the. For some reason, I don't know what it is with me, but each time I unbox an Amazon Echo product, I like putting the little peely back inside the piece that you peel off to open up the box. Okay, so now let's get into the actual product itself. Too bad it doesn't have a USB port, because that means I can't plug it into my battery bank. So here we have it, and here's the, so on the right hand side of the device, whenever you're looking at it, you'll see that there is a little headphone jack. So 3.5 millimeter, which means it should work with my favorite pair of headphones, which are the Razer Electra V2, I believe they're called. So let's try plugging them in, even though it doesn't even have power. Nice, I'm gaming on an Amazon Echo Flex. Ooh, not interesting. Okay, so let's go ahead and set the headphones back, and yeah. So then on the left-hand side, there's nothing on the left-hand side. On the back, we have the prongs and all of the information on the product. Are there any serial numbers for me to blur out? No, there aren't. Okay, so I can just do this. And then there are 2 speakers on the front. Here are the 2 microphones that help for the 360-degree audio. The Alexa button, which makes it talk whenever you click on it. It'll start listening once you click on it. And then finally, we have the Do Not Disturb button, or, well, that's what I like to call it because it kind of looks like a Do Not Disturb button. But it's the microphone disable button. So, sorry guys, but while I'm looking, the front actually doesn't look that bad. It kind of looks like the Echo Dash, I think it was, Echo Auto. So, I still don't understand, why did they name it Echo Flex? It doesn't bend or flex or anything. It just, hey look, I'm flexing on you. I got the new Echo Flex. Okay, so, yeah, this thing's only $10. So if you want an Alexa in your home and you don't want to spend a lot on it, it's only $10. So you can pretty much get it for $10, or is that just because it's Cyber Week and there's a sale going on? But no matter what, it's I believe at normal price it's $25, but still, this is not bad for a product that just plugs into your wall and you can ask questions to. So that's pretty much it for my unboxing and review of the Echo Show. And I hope to see you guys next time. Bye. Oh god, it's gonna be hard again to do this. Bye, guys.